Namaste, Assalamu alaikum guys. Finally the day has arrived. There you go. Got this from MSI. Been a huge fan guys since 2017 I think. Yeah. And this is like a dream come true. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let your thoughts in the comment section below. And let's not waste time and get into our unboxing. Alright guys, so let's get started. Here's my unboxing knife. There you can see MSI written over here, and at the back of the box we have the dragon logo. Okay, so let's okay, another box inside, and we got a bag from MSI guys. Here's the dragon logo, such elegance. Okay, let's put this aside and take this box out first. There you go, true gaming, that's true. And the dragon logo with the MSI written on here, and some HDMI rating, etc. Let's open this as well. There you go. There's a laptop. Let's take this small box first. This is the charger guys. And it got the power cable as well. Let me take the charger out first. This charger is very heavy guys, it's huge. Let's look at the power rating. OMG, it's like 240 watts. Holy shit. Okay, and let's put this aside as well. And take our laptop. There you go guys. I hope you can see the dragon logo. Before we take this out, I'll go show you guys the spec sheet, some key specs. Hope you can see this on your screen. I will display them in the description section as well. Okay, before we unwrap guys, here we got some manual in the box. Who reads these anyways guys? Some blah 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 and stuff. Let's take this out. Slowly. And unwrap this cover as well. There you go. Let me focus guys. I hope you can see the dragon logo. This is my favorite, guys. And let's open it. Here you can see the MSI as well, guys. The MSI branding. Sorry guys, I may sound a little bit nervous in between, and I won't reveal my face unless you guys get me 1,000 subscribers soon. So okay, let's take this as well. There you go. It's got a 17.3-inch display, guys. Full HD, supporting 144 Hz, and full backlit keyboard. The resolution is 1080p 60 fps, and this one is red backlit RGB keyboard. Sorry, I'm saying RGB, not RGB. Red color backlit keyboard, and i7 12th gen processor, guys, with RTX 3060 and 2GB dedicated graphics of Helllll as well. This RTX 3060 is of 6GB, so I got 8GB of GPU in this and 16GB of RAM, next 1TB SSD, and insane 14 cores, guys. 14 cores and 28 threads. That's absolutely amazing. And Windows 11 ready. That's a great thing. This video is not gonna be so long, guys, as it's not gonna be a review. So I hope you understand the concept of unboxing. And let me boot this up first for quick overview. There you go, guys. And it got great cooling system as well. It has 2 fans with 6 pipes. I think I covered most of it, guys. You can see it's a big and decent display, and the backlights look amazing, guys. And in case you don't know, nobody has bought this yet, guys. I'm the one and only, so I'm feeling pretty proud. And let me end this video right away. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents, and that's the secret to long life.